Hi everyone, this is Nikung Bhatia, the CEO of Webscale Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how much you can earn as a certified ethical hacker. So if you are looking to learn cybersecurity or to pursue a career in ethical hacking, then this video is for you. Number 1. Highly important job to secure high confidential data. Number 2. Huge requirement and high paying jobs in government firms. Number 3. Number of cybercrimes attacks increasing each day. Number 4. New virus, malwares, ransomware creeping out each day. These are just few, and if you are thinking of one reason to become certified ethical hacker, then this is the biggest reason. This industry is booming and expected to grow bigger and bigger each passing day. So if you have got interest and passion to earn a great income, a huge income, then this is for you. Now, as interesting as it sounds, ethical hacking is a highly responsible job. And if you are a certified ethical hacker, then there is a huge scope for you in the industry. For a good certified ethical hacker, the income ranges start from 23 lakhs per annum. Yes, you heard it right. So good luck with your career ahead, and if you want more details on ethical hacking training and certification, then call us on the number shared in the description below.